Hello everyone, welcome to ELO channel where we discuss organic chemistry in simple terms. Today we'll be discussing the classification of organic compounds and their functional groups. Organic compounds are generally classified as hydrocarbon and non-hydrocarbons. Under hydrocarbons, we have the aromatic and the non-aromatic hydrocarbons. Under the non-aromatic hydrocarbons, we have the saturated hydrocarbons and the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Examples of the saturated hydrocarbons are the alkanes, while the examples of the unsaturated hydrocarbons are the alkane and the alkynes. While examples of the aromatic hydrocarbon include the benzene and the naphthalene. Under the non-hydrocarbons, we have the alkanols, the ethers, the esters, aldehydes, ketones, the carboxylic acids, proteins, carbohydrates, soaps and detergents, fats and oils, and polymers, etc. So, this is the basis for the classification of organic compounds. Every organic compound must fall under these categories of hydrocarbons and non-hydrocarbon. So, having known the basis for the classification of organic compounds, let us now proceed to the functional groups of all these organic compounds. Before we proceed to the functional groups of organic compound, let's first of all define what functional groups are. Functional group is the characteristics of an organic compound which influences their chemical reactivity. In other words, it is the part of a molecule where chemical reactions take place. Let's now consider major organic compounds and their functional groups. For alkanes, their functional group is single bond. For alkanes, their functional group is the double bond. For alkynes, their functional group is the triple bond. For alkanols, their functional group is the OH. For ethers, their functional group is the ROR. For esters, their functional group is the C double bond OR. For aldehydes, their functional group is the C double bond OH. For ketone, their functional group is RC double bond OR. For carboxylic acids, their functional group is the C double bond OH. We have the amides, and their functional group is RC double bond NH2. We have the amines, and their functional group is RNH2. We have the imines. The imines contains sp2 hybridized nitrogen, that is nitrogen with a double bond. We have the nitrides. Their functional group is C triple bond N. We have the hydrazine, and their functional group is NH2. Then we have the hydrazone, where their functional group is C double bond NH2. We have the oxime, where their functional group is C double bond NOH. We have the acid halides, where their functional group is C double bond X, where X represents halogens. We have the amino acids, and this is the general representation of amino acid. We have soaps, and their general formula is RCOO minus MO plus, where M plus can be sodium ion or potassium ion. And the last I have in my list of organic compounds and their functional group is the detergent, which has a general representation of alkyl sodium sulfonate. Thank you for listening to my video. Please like, subscribe and share. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you.